So today I'll be showing you how to connect wired headphones with a 3.5mm headphone jack to your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Okay, now obviously this phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack port where you can just plug this in, so you do need an adapter, and I have an interesting adapter. So this is a 3.5mm headphone to Type-C adapter. So that means you can connect the headphone jack of your headphones to the adapter just like that, and then the adapter with the headphones into the Type-C port of your Z Fold 7. Simple as that. And once you connect, it's literally that simple. All you have to do is just listen to any media. Could be YouTube, it could be literally anything. So you can see already in the volume indicator here, it shows we have headphones plugged in. Okay, so you can see the headphones icon when I press the volume button, which means they've been detected successfully. And now all you have to do is play media. Okay, so whatever you play, music, YouTube, it's going to play it through the headphones. Now, what if you need to charge your Galaxy Z Fold 7? Now, of course, you can charge it wirelessly, but if you want to move with it and you want to charge and listen to music through your wired headphones, what can you do? Now, there's a different kind of adapter that you can do this with. So you can see an adapter like this one has a Type-C connector, just like the other one. But this one on this other side has the headphone jack and a pass-through Type-C port where you can connect your charger and connect your headphones, and then all of them go through this Type-C port into the phone. So let's disconnect this. So on this one, that goes in there, and then if you have a Type-C charger, that goes in here like that. Okay, and then both of them through the Type-C port of your phone. Okay, so you'll notice the phone is charging, and also when we press the volume rockers, you can see we have our headphones detected. So that's how you can connect wired headphones to your Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.